Hey guys, it's LA Plays here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove or install a graphics card. So it can be any graphics card. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the computer that I'm going to be installing the graphics card in. So yes, the optical drive is missing. So this is the graphics card here that I'm going to be replacing. This is just an example one that I'm going to show you guys. This is a X600. So we're gonna so the first thing you want to do is I'm just gonna put my graphics card at the one that I install over here. And what you need to do is some computers have like a little button. When you press it, you can take this panel off here. But most computers have to take the screw off. So we're gonna take the two screws off. So on mine there's one there, and then there's one down here. So what we're gonna do is we are going to undo this screw. Let's see. Okay, so we've taken the screws out there, and then just take the panel off. Struggling a little bit. Sometimes this panel's a bit funny because some of the little metal parts here are a bit bent. So let's chuck this little thing over here. So this is the computer that I'm going to be doing. So to remove the graphics card, what you need to do is over here, your graphics card is right there. Now there's a screw right here that you want to undo. So we are going to undo that screw. You want to undo that screw before you take out your graphics card. Now, be careful with the screws. Make sure you put it somewhere else just so you know that it belongs to the graphics card. And then what you want to do is you want to remove that part where you took the screw off. Maybe actually there's another one down here. Sorry guys. There's another screw down here that we want to remove. There we go. There we go. You got that screw off. Then, now your computer should look like this. So you want to remove the graphics card out. So how do you do that? Well, there might be a clip over here. So you need to undo that clip. Press that. Mine over here has this little button. And then what I can do is I can just do that. And then bam. Your graphics card is out. This is the one. This is X3. This is a Radeon X300. So the other one that we have, that I'm going to show you guys to install. This one is the other one. So what you want to do? Some motherboards are different. Some you install it like that, and then some are like this. So this one's on the left hand side, so it goes like this. But some are on the right hand side, which some install like that. So mine is flat down like this. So what you want to do is you want to line up and find the slot where you want to put the graphics card in. So you just do this and then find the part in here. So somewhere. There we are. And it should be in place, and then that clicks. There we go. And your graphics card is in. Then you just want to put this little part over here on. Oh, wrong way. So just make sure it's in properly. Yeah, it's in properly. Then put this on your computer, and then you screw that part on, and then you should be alright. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll make more videos. I might be making a gaming video soon. With my very first gaming video that should be out next week, I hope. So I'm sure next week and the next 2 weeks I'll probably be uploading some more videos for you guys if you want to check it out. And yeah, so anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.